Hello and welcome to RLA Module 4A. We are going to begin studying about analyzing text. The next three modules will be on the activity unit analyzing text, and lucky you, you are about halfway through your RLA GED course. So congratulations on making it this far. The end is in sight, I promise you. So let's take a look at our tasks for Module 4A, Analyzing Text. The module objective is, by the end of this module, you will be able to analyze different text structures, such as problem solution, compare contrast, cause effect, description explanation, sequence, and narrative structure. You're already watching the video, so next you will begin working in Aztec on the activity unit analyzing text. You'll complete any unwaived lessons and drills. So just to show you what that looks like, once you log into Aztec, you'll come to View Classrooms. Then you'll come to your GED Language Art Reading course and to your learning plan, which is where you'll find all your activities. So you'll come to the section Analyzing Text. So you'll see this is actually our last section on Aztec. Very exciting because we completed writing skills in the beginning. So you'll see I have some lessons that are waived, but any of the empty circles, any of the open circles on lesson or drill, you will need to complete. Then you will respond to a writing prompt on the Canvas discussion board. Our discussion for this module, you'll read the article Broken but Not Defeated. This was written by GED student Judy Harrington. So after reading the article, you can click the link to access the article. After reading, write a reply of 3 to 5 sentences describing the text structure. Is the text problem solution, compare contrast, cause effect, or description explanation? Do not forget to use examples from the text to support your claim. This is something you'll need to do on the GED. It's also something you'll need to be able to do in college if you want to go into college. You will have to use examples from the text, so better start practicing now. And that is it for Module 4A.